and welcome back to my channel. This channel is to help Christian content creators, Christian beginning content creators learn how to show up and be who God has called you to be. All right, this is for beginners. And so we're going to use ChatGPT today. All right, we're going to use ChatGPT and we're going to do this together. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT some prompts, and basically you're going to do what I do with ChatGPT. You're going to do that to create who you're going to be. All right. So before we get into our lead magnets and all that stuff, we have to find out who we are. So we're going to go to ChatGPT. Hello, how are you today? Yes, I talk to my ChatGPT like that. So I am helping a beginning Christian content creator. Eventually, they'll be having clients, they'll be having digital products and everything. But today they need to find their niche. Give me a few ways to help them find their niche easily. Here we go. It says, if you're a beginning Christian content creator, the goal is not to pick something random. Their niche should sit at the intersection of what they've lived through, what they naturally talk about, what people ask them to do, what they feel called and encouraged others in. What they feel called to encourage others in. So again, what you've lived through, what you've naturally talked about, what people asked you to do for help, and what you feel naturally called and to encourage others in. All right. So one more time, if you're a beginning Christian content creator, the goal is not to pick something random. The niche should sit at an intersection of what they've been through, what you've lived through. And so I'm gonna edit this video. Okay. One more time. If you're a beginning Christian content creator, the goal is not to pick something random. Their niche should sit at the intersection of what they lived through, what they naturally talk about, what people have asked them to do, and what they feel comfortable to encourage others in. Okay. Here are a few simple ways to help them discover it. Look at their testimony. Okay. That's number one. Their story is usually the first clue. Ask, what has God brought you through? Ask, what lessons changed your life? Ask, what struggle do you understand deeply? Okay. So I understand you don't know how to use social media. I understand you don't know what a niche is. I understand you don't know anything about showing up. And so since I know what your struggle is, I'm on here helping you with that. You got it. So you have to find out what your person's struggle is. Okay. It says examples, depression, encouragement content, financial struggles, faith and budgeting, single motherhood, Christian motherhood, starting over, motivation, healing. So those are some different types of content. Also, pay attention to what you talk about naturally. If you sat at a table for an hour, what topic would naturally would you keep bringing up? That is usually one of your niche areas. If it's faith and motivation, is it relationships? Is it business? Is it healing? Is it worship music? Is it Bible teaching? Is it Christian lifestyle? Is it content creation? What do you talk about all the time? What is it something you talk about easily? So that's going to be what you're going to show up as. Okay. If you're a chef, do you talk about food all the time? Do you always talk about business tips? Do you talk about politics? Do you talk about truck driving? Do you talk about fashion? Okay. Also, a niche becomes clear when they know who they are speaking to. Example, Christian entrepreneurs. Are you speaking to young adults, single moms, beginning content creators, men rebuilding your faith, women healing after heartbreak? Clarity comes from audience focus. Okay. So you got to know who you're talking to. So you're a beginning Christian content creator. Okay. You may be a gospel singer. You may be someone with a ministry. You want to create digital products. You want to create podcasts. You want to start showing up. And yeah, you're faith based. Okay. In Jesus' name. All right. So it says start with three content pillars. Instead of trying to find one perfect niche immediately, start with three: faith, motivation, and social media, or Bible, encouragement, healing, daily life. After 30 to 60 days, you'll see which topic gets the most engagement and feels the most natural for you to talk about. All right. You're going to notice what gets reactions. Your audience will definitely help you pick out your niche. That's for real. So you're going to get up there. You're going to give faith content. You're going to get motivational. You're going to give different tips or whatever. And you're going to see what your audience wants from you. All right. Also, let's see here. It says, notice what gets reactions. Okay. Is it the videos? Which videos get comments? I'm sorry. Notice which videos gets comments, which topics get saves and shares. What do people DM you about when you're doing this case study in the 30 to 60 days? All right. Also, let's see here. It says, don't wait for perfection. Do not wait for perfection. All right. Most creators discover their niche by posting consistently, but not by overthinking. The niche usually comes clear after 30 videos, 60 days of posting, real audience feedback. Action creates clarity. All right. A simple formula you can use is your niche is the people you help, the problem you help to overcome. All right. Example: helping beginners grow in faith, helping creators stay encouraged, helping Christian stay consistent online, helping women heal spiritually. All right. That is where you can start. So, of course, we got homework. I need you to rewind this video, watch this video, and I want you to let me know what your niche is in the comments. After I see you all figuring out your niche, again, because this is for beginner content creators, you don't know what your niche is. After I see you picking out your niche and finding your niche, we're going to move on to the next topic, which will be, we said that will be our lead magnet. Okay. And yeah, so let's do some homework. What's your niche? Let me know in the comments. I'm Mr. Eagle Vision, JR. Make sure you like, follow, comment, subscribe. I know you're going to comment because I know you're going to do your homework. I know you're going to do your homework. Okay. So let me know what your niche is, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace. Thank y'all for the likes. Hey, let me see if there's